there's some sharks and people. And the people have to run around in a circle. And then when the group leader says shark attack, the shark then runs after the people. And the way the people can be safe is that they have to enter one of those hoops on the ground.
Okay. And then?
And when you get tagged by a shark, you have to become a shark yourself. And the last game is the one that my legs died.
What happened?
Like, completely died.
What do you mean completely dead?
Like you were... game, my legs are already dead, but in the fourth game, I completely died them.
What do you mean? Like you cannot run anymore?
Yeah, and like what I mean by that is that I cannot run anymore, and my stomach has a cramp, and
what,
my legs
really?
hurt.
Your stomach?
The last game was racing.
Okay.
Like we set into 2 lines, then the people at the front, they go first, and then the next people, they go.
Hey, Adi is calling you. Adi, over there. You wave to Adi.
Where?
Over there. You cannot see Adi.
And I ended up losing my race.
Oh.
Because
come
I
here,
was racing with a super taller person than me.
Oh.
And since my legs were already dead in the game before, I was super slow and tired. And I felt like I was gonna fall to the ground.
Oh no, my baby gets super tired. You really have to exercise more, you know. If you get used to it, you'll be much like your endurance will improve. Oh look, Adi is carrying a calf, like a baby cow.
Can you carry this?
Are you super tired from school?
At that last game, we finally
The
went
baby
back to
cows
the
are so
classroom.
noisy. Okay, you explain.
Okay, so the last game was really tiring, and my legs were dying, and my stomach had a cramp, and my feet were also hurting, and I wanted to just go into the classroom and sit down.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Did you finish your snack and your
the
lunch?
First game, I was fine. In the second game, I was a bit tired. And in the third game, I died. My legs died. And in the fourth game, all of that happened.
Kapoy daw kay siya dinula sa eskwela. My legs died daw. Na mo gawas gid siya.
Can I go near or not?
I don't know, you ask Adi. Achi, let's go home. Oh, sige raman naggawas oy. Uy, sulod dadto. That baby cow keeps going out.
Actually, I had a stomach cramp since the third game, but it got worse in the fourth game.
What do you mean by stomach cramp? Like
my area here is hurting.
oh, it means like the side, like the appendix area.
Yeah, it hurts.
Okay, let's go home. Bye, Adi.
Bye, Ade!
Okay, let's go. Oh, my hands are numb. So cold.
This is why you should get a job.
What?
This is why you should stop recording. Why are you recording me?
Hey, wait for me.
I'm not waiting.
Oh, then don't run. If your legs hurt.
It's specifically my left leg here. It hurts.
So you better rest when you get home. And you drink plenty of water. Did you finish drinking all of your water?
Yes, but it was like so much water.
Why?
It took me like a whole minute of doing this with the water bottle until it finished.
You can just like open the cap, and drink from the mouth of the bottle.
How much water do you put in there?
I just make the bottle full. Because you keep playing in school. There's a lot of physical activities. So you need water, Achi. Oh, I thought your leg hurts.
Yes, it hurt, but I just want to go home.
Hey, you're just excited to play iPad.
You were just leaving me on recording me again.
What?